Hi. Decorating your own apparel can be fun, and it can add a little bit of your own little distinct personality to what you have. There are different ways of doing this, and one is how to sew on a patch. My name is Daniel King. I'm a designer and pattern maker. I'm going to show you a little bit about sewing on patches. You can buy patches at your favorite fabric or crafts shop. You can purchase these patches. They usually will have a finished edge to them, and you just whip stitch around it. Or you can actually make your own patches. You may find another contrasting fabric or a similar fabric to put on top of, let's say, your jeans, even pillowcases and decorative items around your house. To do this, you cut out the piece of fabric that you want to make the patch, or again, as you can use a pre-made patch that you buy at the store. You have a rough edge to it. Now, sometimes people like to have that little frayed look, so you can just start with that. Or you can take it under and use an iron and press it so you have a very smooth edge to that piece of patch. Place that on top of the garment or the pillow in this case, and I'm going to just take and whip stitch. I'm going to go grab a little bit of the under fabric, pull the needle through the patch, pull it out, there, and just push underneath and push up and over. Underneath, up, and over. And you can put this patch anywhere you like. Maybe it's a little rip, maybe it's a tear, or maybe it's just for decoration. But that's just a little bit about making your own distinctive designs using patches. My name is Daniel King.